Mele kalikimaka. So today's Vlogmas is a bit of a s'mores, like a bunch of days smushed together to make and create one vlog. Anyway, so I wanted to share with you a couple things that we did, or how our schedule goes, kind of ish like. So we do this thing called Financial Peace University, or FPU, created by Dave Ramsey. Our church for All Nations, hosted. And I wanted my children, my oldest, the three oldest, because they're teenagers, I wanted to give them a financial understanding about what to expect about money, mortgage, insurances, you name it. I want them to know about it. I just think financial literacy is important. And as we left the church building, it's kind of cool because there was a heart on the sidewalk. I kind of took it as a sign, Jesus loves me. Anyway, we did a business launch, and that was pretty cool. It was for a young woman who is going into business with her mother and her grandmother. So they are working on building generational wealth. And then on Tuesdays and Fridays, we do this thing called Oh My Overview, a taste party that sums up health and wealth. It's a community thing that my sister and I do. Fridays in particular, we go to a local cafe called Volcano Coffee. And we like it there because it's really kid-friendly and they love coming to the cafe with their things. Here's my nephew, who I'm trying to tell him that his zipper doesn't go further. Obviously, he doesn't believe me because he doesn't give up. That's great persistence, right? From a Financial Peace University to a business launch to even going to the local cafe for one of our overviews and gathering. We've done a lot with our kids, but there's one thing that we want to do a little bit different. We're actually going to host a Santa's after party. At the end of the day, we just want to get together and celebrate one another, each other's accomplishments, what they've done, what they've created. I'm really excited about this day. And I also was able to get in some fitness classes with my ladies. And I'm going to leave you with a TikTok, a couple more TikToks, a little bit of a montage. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
You so precious when you smile.